Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I wanted to show you probably the oldest engine I have. This is an F unit made by Marx. If you look, it's got a driveline that ties the two trucks together. It's not really heavily detailed. Naturally, it was from the 60s. I don't think they were worried too much about that. I think they were more worried about functionality. I wanted to buy this one. I picked it up for 12 bucks. I thought, well, it's really old, and I thought if I could get it to work, great, and if not, then it was a talking point and a piece of history for sure. I mean, it's from the 60s. And it gives you kind of something to put side by side with something new and see how far things have come as far as detail, how they're made, how they were designed then versus now. And I'm sure in its day when this was all new, this was actually a really, really good running locomotive. And when you take the shell off, you can see just how simple it is. I've taken this one and cleaned up the commutator in it. See if I can get it to, see if I can turn it with my finger here so you can kind of see. But anyway, it's in really good shape. I put some oil on the gears. Tried not to overdo it. I can put this on here. I can kind of just show you how this one works without the top on it. And it's not perfect, not yet anyway. I got a little more cleaning I think on the wheels to do, but it's not made to go slow though either. They're not like the newer engines. If I turn it up just a little bit more, it'll go. It just needs a little more work. Well, that about wraps up this video. If you liked what you were seeing, if you'd give me a like, that'd be great. If you'd subscribe to the channel, that'd be even better. If you want to see some more videos like this, or have any questions, or maybe even a suggestion on a different engine you'd like to see, shoot me a comment, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.